Hello, you trader nerds. How are y'all? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. My internet connection is doing a little goofy things today, so I apologize for that. But nonetheless, hope you all are doing well. And let's get into it. The market today, what is Tuesday, up 0.29%. Looks to me like it is a rage day with very low volume. And at least this time of day, anyway, VIX is almost in the 13 handle. AD is strong at 229 and just up and down and up and down and up and down. So let's look at the big green monster, see what it looks like. The big green monster is, let's see, where's my big green monster? There it is. So we are fairly priced. It bumped its head against the value area high. See that? Bumped it and then popped back down to the point of control. So this is a very neutral to bullish looking thing. It doesn't look like there's any really big things that we need to fill here, right? All the volume is up here. This looks really bullish to me. I would say at least sideline to bullish in what I'm seeing here on this little chart. There's not a lot of pockets of area where it hadn't tested. See how it's going up like this instead of going like this and having a big pocket in the middle. So looks like it's very comfortable up here. So this is very sideways to bullish, at least for the next 10 days. So let's see how our little account is doing today. So here we are in the Roth IRA. I wonder if they've given me my $150 yet. Let's see. Let's see. Is it this account? Let's see if I got $150 in my account yet. Let's see. What's my buying power? How do you check for, see, where's my thing at? Oh, here we go. Net lick and buying power. No, I don't have it yet. Give me my money. I want my $150. So let's go into the 230 account. And let's go here. 56,361, baby. 56,361. 56,361. Fire up the band, Rico. We are up $1,291 on the year. It says we're at 4.29%. I will take that. Now let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Y'all know how to do this. So we go over here and we go to monitor tab and we go 73 delta, 61 theta. 73, 61. Let's put that in. 73, 61. We all know what that means. It means I have 73 deltas, which means it's the equivalent of having 73 shares of SPY. And then my theta is 61. Wow, it just was 39. Look at that. Wow, that increased a bunch, didn't it? Wow, I like that, which means theoretically I should be making $61 a day. We like that. And then our buying power usage is a measly $19,800. So let's just say 20,000. Let's see how we're looking there. 20,000, we're at 35%. So everything looks good. Our deltas are fine. We can use up to 50% of our buying power. Why? Make sure we know why. Because we go by two charts. This is the 200 daily moving average. We are above it. So that means I can use 50%. And then we also use the 10 and 20 weekly. As long as the 10 is above the 20, we can use 50% of our capital, and that's where we're at. So if you have any questions about why we use that, the research for this is in our Discord room. Let me give a plug to our Discord room. I have now offered a 7-day free trial to our Discord. Look in the link below the video, and we would love to have you in there. If you'd like to get a copy of my spreadsheet, you can buy it directly in the link below, and my written trading plan. It's all there. So we're looking really good. Let's see if any of our trades need to be closed today. Ignore the slide. We no longer slide anymore. So there's nothing that really needs to be taken off. When these get to be about 21 days, what, JoJo?
May I ask Mom if I can have a game?
Here, text her, okay? Hand me my phone back, though. All right, so nothing to close. I don't see any closing anything here. And I don't think any of my trades closed today. Let's see, do we have any field orders today? Nope, we've got 7 working orders. Look at this, y'all. Let's see how we're closing. Oh, yeah, look at this. It's at 60 cents. It's going to be closing at 20. Oh, look at this. We've got one that's marked at 25 that could be closing at 20 cents. Oh, we've got some orders that are, at some point are going to be firing up here in our little hedge, but not today. So let's see. Well, we have a full book. It says we should have 35 positions on, and today we have on 15 positions. So our position sizing says that we should do 2 per week. Let's make sure that's the case. 2 per week. Yep, 2.35 per week. So 2 or 3 per week. So, my theta's a little high today. So I think I'll just do 2 today. So let's do that. And also, let's look and see if we can take off any of these at 95% too, right? So let's do that first. If something is at 95%, you might as well take it off. What you say?
What do you say there? What do you
What? JoJo have his game. Yeah, do it. Okay, good. All right, so let's look right here. So we've got P&L here at, oh, look at this. Waka. We have something at 95%. Now, if we go to our trading plan, let's look at what it typically says. It says naked puts are usually closed at 95% profit or when they reach 30 to 21 days. So these are 31 days, I think, left remaining, and they're at 95 profit. There's no need to leave that on. So let's go close those. I love this. Oh, this is so fun. So let's see if we get Applebee's money here. So they got 31 days to go. They're at 95% profit. Now, some of these are really close. You could take those off too, but let's just take off these. Where is it? These 3750s with 31 days. Let's close those. That gives us 31 days with a put debit spread unencumbered by let's go for 75. 3750. Let's get rid of it. 75. Come on, baby. Fill me. Fill me. Nothing. Jack squat crap, nothing. All right, so we got to go up. There we go. 75 cents. My patience was rewarded. Did I play the Jeffersons? All right, so we close those, right, with 31 days to 3750s. Close them at 75 cents. And let's hit Control colon to do today's date. So we made $298.24. You know what? Since we closed 4, and I've got those 4 put debit spreads that are going along with it, or 2 put debit spreads going on. Well, that's actually 2 tranches. I think I'm going to do 3 tranches today. I think I'm going to bump it up a little bit. I took 2 off, and let's put in 1 extra tranche today to kind of build this thing up. Let's do 3 tranches today. So let's go over here to the trade tab, and we'll go to the macros. And 122 days. Sorry, I'm yawning all over the place. Oh, I'm sleepy. I get my beauty sleep. So we got to go to a 10% probability of profit, or 10% probability of being in the money. So we could sell these 4700s again, and we'll do 3 of those. 3. It's okay to sell where you've already sold, y'all. Don't worry about that. Don't let it freak you out. What is up for this? Oh, there we go. Make it 3. Okay, so 3 of those. And I got to fix my little charts up right. 33.75. We're going to try $34 because we are greedy. Uh-oh. I do not have enough buying power. Oh, God, it's because of the darn bill, isn't it? Well, you would think I would have enough buying power because I just closed 2 of those. Let's see if I got enough for 2. Hold on, let's see. Let's go back. Let's do this again because we might have to close some bill. So let's sell these again. 33.75. Let's see if we did 2. Expected. Let's see. Confirm and send. No, we don't have enough, do we? Look at there. $72 and something. So we got to sell some of our bill. Let's go get our bill. That's fine. And that's going to happen sometimes when we're doing bill, y'all. Let's see if we can find Bill. Bill equities options. Here we've got 30, 50 of them. So let's see if we can sell 25% or 25 shares of that. Just give us plenty of room. So let's sell. What is wrong with this thing? I don't want to sell all. I want to sell. Let's just sell 25 shares. All right, so let's do that. Let's see if that'll give us enough money. There we go. So now that should do it. Now let's go back and see if this gives us enough stuff. So let's go trade, recent, MES. That's all you got to do is just get rid of some of that. All right, so we'll go to 122 days. The 4,700, I believe it was. And yeah. 4,700. We're going to sell 3 of those. 2, 3. At $34. See if I got enough money now. Yes, look at me. Look at this. Yes. So sell 3 of those. What? I said I had enough. Darn it. Is it going to happen? Tell me it's not going to wait for that thing to clear. Hold on a second.
I did not.
Let me take it off screen for a second and see. Let me show my account number, see what I've been cashing all these.
How do you say this one?
I don't know. I'm in a class, son.
No, you
Can you
have
see
to-
that Daddy is in a class for the love of God? What is wrong with you, son? Hold on, y'all. Let me just look.
What? Oh, leotard.
Leotard. Hold on.
Sorry.
Let me move this here. Option buying power. No. There we go. Option buying power. Take this off. So it says that I have cash and sweep of $3,000. The net lick is that. Buying power. I've got $3,900 in buying power. Let's see if we can do 2 of those. Let me hide that again. Bring it back over. It's making me mad. I'm telling y'all, the day's going to come. We're going to come in here and they're just going to say, you can't do what you want to do in here anymore. Because you've seen me do this before. So let's see if we can do 2 of these. 2 and 33.50. Let's try 33.75. Now watch. What's this, y'all? Buying power is that. Resulting buying power is that. And resulting buying power for options is that. So this should be, this should let me do it. All right, no rejection there. Just didn't want to let me do 3 of them. Okay, I got you. I see how you're going to play. I see how you are, you heathen. Let's make that 33.50. There we go. We sold both of those. 4,700s at 33.50. 4,700s at 33.50. 4,700 at 33.50. Is that right? Hal will correct me if it was wrong. All right, so we did MES, and we did, what did we do? We did 2 of them, right? 2. So we're going to call this naked put 115, put and naked and 122 and control my colon. And there we go, 332.06. Now let's do 2 put debit spreads, MES.
No, look.
And let's do 2 of those. And we'll call this PDS 115. We don't know the strikes yet, but puts, debit spread 122, control your colon, and let's see how much we pay for these. So let's go. So now remember, to buy your put debit spreads, you want to go about the 25 delta or so. So we can buy where we bought and sell where we sell. There's no problem with that. So buy the 50-50. Sell the 55,000.
Yeah, but you have to go.
Hey, will y'all quit screaming?
I'm waiting for mom to get back.
And let's do 2 of these. So let's try 960. 55,000s for 960. There we go. 960. 55,000s for 960. 960. 50. 5,000. Beautiful, y'all. That is how you do it. That is how you do it. Let's go look at let's look at our how many hedges we got in place. Oh, I don't know if I've got them all in here. 2730 does not look good. Now this is an account that is how big? We've got 56,000. Let's see what our risk is. I was talking to someone today and they're like, Bobby, you carry a lot of risk. And I go, I do. There is no doubt about it. Let's go to the Analyze tab and let's look at our risk in our account here. So let's go hide simulations. So it just shows our positions. And then make sure it's showing portfolio beta weighted. Now realize it shows nothing here, and it's because those T-bills that we got to get rid of. So let's do this. I wonder if it'll do it with bill. Yeah, look at there, y'all. It'll show it with our bill. Look at that. Taking bill off doesn't really do anything, does it? Taking your money market off doesn't really do anything. But that's another cool thing about doing bill is apparently it'll let us do our thing here. So let's see what our account looks like if we go down 20%. Theoretical net lick is $15,000 if we go down to. Oh, look, this is new, y'all. Look at this. We've never had a theoretical net lick. Look at that. That is new. Look at Schwaber's doing something new, y'all. Or is that just me that I've never seen this before? The theoretical net lick. Look at that. If we go down 20%, it says my theoretical net lick will be $14,500. And if we go down 12%, it would be $43,000. And this is a $56,000 account. So that doesn't look bad. The problem is we're not taking into account volatility. And when that volatility goes up, that's when you get into a little trouble, right? So let's see, today's the 19th, make sure everything looks good. Now I want you to follow these numbers right here. See the yellow numbers and the gray numbers? So this is current price here. This is 5% down. Move this over so y'all can see. 5% down. This is 10% or 12% down, and this is 20% down. So at 20% down, if volatility goes up to 33%, you are down. Well, that's more like it there. If it goes up to 52%, you're down 124,000 in a $60,000 account. That would hurt. Now remember, we think there are things that we can do before those things happen. But I got to tell you, if you're looking for a risk-free way of making money, you need to buy T-bills. That's all you can do, or buy bills. That's your risk-free way of buying and having a return. We have to take risk in order to make profits. So is it wrong that I'm taking significant risk to make profits? I don't think so. Because what we have done is we have seen this since August of 2021, this has performed fantastically well. If we get into trouble, what do? Let's go through that. We've got a trading plan. And the trading plan tells us that if we get into trouble, we can close profitable positions. We can roll losing positions to extend trade duration. We would roll out in time. Or we could sell some calls if we needed negative deltas. We could sell futures contracts. Those are 50 deltas per micro contract, 500 deltas per E-mini contract. We could buy some cheap protected puts to reduce the portfolio buying power. Or we could close losing positions, or we could close the short put in our put debit spreads if we wanted to have extra protection. So we've got to check down, check. 7 different things that I can do to get my account back in line before we go down 20% and I'm screwed. All right. But hey, if I'm screwed, I'm screwed. That's it. We've got to take risks to make the big money. Anyone got a question? Everybody good? All right. If not, I will see you all tomorrow.